Jimicom, development for everybody.
Then bring back our fuel throttle jet injector, and get a middle-like pin and unclog the throttle jet injector. Then get pliers and tighten the throttle jet injector firmly. Then bring back our idle screw jet injector, and get a slot drive screwdriver and tightens it firmly. Then, bring back a float bowl back, and connect it on the carburetor. Put back the bolts, and get a star screwdriver, and tighten the bolts firmly. After that, we shall get our air-fuel mixture adjusting screw. Take a note of, this part has two sub-parts, that is to say, a screw and a spring. Make sure that you do not lose the spring, because when there is no spring between the body of a carburetor and a screw, it will bring irregular acceleration. Now we shall get Y idle mixture adjusting screw, and bring the spring back, and install it, and after that, bring back the valve seal and also install it. When you found that the valve seal is damaged, you have to be with a plan for replacement.
Jimicom, development for everybody.
Now, in this carburetor we found that the valve seal was damaged, and fuel was linking. So, what you see now is a new valve seal that will be installed on the idle screw to avoid fuel linking. Now get the carburetor and put the idle mixture adjusting screw back in place. And get a slot drive screwdriver and turn it clockwise to a desired place. Then bring back our air suction pipe, which connect the carburetor to air cleaner or filter chamber. Put a lock and get a screwdriver, and tighten it firmly. All the work done, we shall bring back our carburetor back to our motorcycle. This is a finished project. The carburetor is now like a new one, as you see here. The work of repairing is done, now the remaining thing is to test. We shall test and see whether that everything is done. Then we get sealant, like silicone. This will be used to seal everywhere that would lead to linkage. Then bring a box and wrench, typically 10-11 millimeters, and remove the bolts from the cylinder. Install the carburetor in its position. First, remove the air filter or cleaner chamber cover to ensure easy installation of a carburetor. After, get your sealant, silicone, and squeeze little gel of sealant on the surface of the cylinder and the connector, which connects a cylinder and a carburetor. Then install the bolts into bolt holes, and get a box and wrench and tightens them firmly.